Hello everyone and welcome to Flipkart. Today we'll be exploring the new series of Midea InfiniWash technology. Midea washing machines are equipped with InfiniWash technology that retains the newness of your wardrobe while keeping them fresh. It causes no damage to new and delicate clothes. You can trust InfiniWash technology to gently clean your new and delicate clothes without damaging their texture even after frequent washing. It's just a spa-like feeling for your clothes. Now we are going to unveil the key features of this latest innovation, which comes in 10.5 kg top load. Midea InfiniWash machines lets you handle the entire wash process with a touch of a button, saving your precious time and energy so that you can spend more time on doing things that you love. Using advanced algorithms, it calculates and automatically determines the water level, wash type, number of rinses and spin duration. Midea InfiniWash top-load machines are equipped with specially designed pulsator and program that creates three-dimensional water flow, which leads to multi-directional water currents to ensure deep cleaning of clothes and remove dirt and detergent residue efficiently. The Midea InfiniWash washing machine lets you control the machine through Smart Touch control panel. The Smart Touch panel allows you to do your laundry in a very ergonomic way. The extra touch of style provides an easier way to control the wash process. The Midea InfiniWash washing machine is equipped with soft close tempered glass door. At Midea, we're not just about best results, we're equally concerned about your safety. The closed lid protects your hands in case the door falls accidentally. This Midea InfiniWash machine understands different needs and treatment for fabric care and therefore comes with 8 wash programs that give you a variety of wash options depending on your washing requirements. Midea InfiniWash top-load washing machines are equipped with Magic Filter, which prevents detergent and lint buildup on clothes by collecting all the residue which can be manually removed later. This Magic Filter collects lint, fluff and particles from your clothes and collects it for an easy clean filter. Midea InfiniWash top-load washing machines are programmed with an automatic tub clean feature to keep your machine fresh, clean and in optimal conditions at all times. It removes detergent buildup and other residue at a touch of a button. So come aboard the Flipkart family for a seamless purchase experience with quick delivery, hassle-free installations, detailed demo, and a short brand warranty for all your appliances.